Yes, the day is still going on, still exploring the beach. I'm not yet tired. I've just finished swimming, but at any time I will be going back to the waters to swim. Yeah, I feel like getting soaked again. Yeah, so I'm here to always show you in case you want to visit some places in India and you're wondering how things are going. Yeah, such places are very cheap. You can get, of course, Indian food. You can eat some fish, ice cream, whatever, Indian standard. Yeah, it's not like some other tourist places where things are sold at tourist prices. So guys, we are still exploring the Bapatla beach. I'm here with my fitness coach,
What's up?
Kim Sports.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, you guys, you should check him out on his YouTube.
Yeah,
Kim Sports
underscore Kim.
Yeah, you can see how masculine he is. If you want a nice physique, I'm also on my fitness journey. And you guys, I'm requesting you to subscribe to Kim Sports on YouTube. I'm putting the link of his channel in this video's description.
Guys, please support me on my YouTube channel. I'm doing adventures, adventure vlogs, vlogs, everything about lifestyle and adventure activities.
Yeah, for your nice physique, for your fitness goals, this is the guy.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Gampara toka speed nyo.
Yes, all right. Yeah, of course. I think it's the time now to go back to Vijayawada, where I stay. I've just finished swimming, connecting with the local people here, enjoying the sun, everything. Yeah, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.